Hi, Basav. How are you
Hi,
doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also good. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Now, you've launched this new course, right? You've
Yes.
launched two courses, as
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me a bit about yourself and what's your company about?
So my name is Basava Hatiwala, and I'm the founder of Glorious Media. And basically, I am a marketing consultant. I help businesses upscale their marketing goals.
The name of your company is Glorious Media. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is it about? Is it an advertising agency? Is it an influencer marketing agency?
Yes. Yes.
Or is it catered to social media marketing?
Right. So basically, my main concern was that looking at the scenario that how businesses in today's world, the market is completely oversaturated. Everyone is trying to bring up their businesses online, and I noticed something that there are a lot of people, youngsters, who have saturated the market. And
Okay.
recently, what has happened is the supply and the demand curve have actually changed. So like first there's a particular demand. So now what has happened that because new youngsters have come in the market, the supply has gone a lot, and there's a demand. So supply is higher than demand. So the price of the services and the things will go a little bit less.
Okay, makes sense,
Right.
complete sense.
Right.
Now, I have seen that you have worked with a lot of different brands.
Yeah.
So, are they specific to a particular industry?
Not really, because marketing is a part of many. Marketing is a part of almost everything. Like mostly today's businesses mostly go for increasing their products and services launching in the market, but
Right.
they're not able to get customers, and the customers is one of the most important thing in the business.
Okay. So, what would you say is the core problem of these businesses that they are not able to get clients? Is it because they have less followers on social media or people are not brand aware? What would you say?
I would say that businesses today are mostly going forward with a lot of, uh, like as I told you, the supply is greater than the demand.
Yes.
These are not the businesses are reducing their price. They're overspending their budget.
Hmm.
They do not have a right roadmap.
Hmm.
Whatever services or offering that they are doing to their customers,
Right.
they're not reaching to the basic point that where it
Right.
should be going.
Makes
So
sense.
in that case, what happens that the prices, the marketer who is trying to achieve for them, doesn't the business owner is not motivated because he has a sales team, he has an inventory. Now, how much money will he spend in marketing?
Right,
So he
correct.
thinks that I want to fund the business
Okay.
and I want to include financing
Right.
through banking. So
Right.
he's not focused on the marketing goals, but he's spending more on the team itself. Now that
Right.
money is entirely coming from funding.
Correct. Okay, so what I'm understanding is what you have given on your web page is three reasons why your business is not profitable according to Glorious Media,
Yeah.
Mr. Basa Patiwala. Is number one, because brands don't have the right marketing roadmap to their profits. Okay. Number
Right.
two is their offers, the offers that businesses and brands give, they do not tempt the customers anymore. Okay.
Right.
And the third and the last reason that you have given is that the business does not have a brand identity and also the product is not relevant anymore compared to the competitors. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So now my question to you is how will it impact them in the long run?
If you look at it this way, that basically a product when he is launching in the market, uh, if you are funding your business entirely on the basis के मैं बैंक से लूँगा, मैं
Right.
मैं पार्टनरशिप करूँगा या फिर वो
Right.
करूँगा,
Right.
प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज पे आप ध्यान दे तो रहे हो,
Right.
बूस्ट कर रहे हो ऐड,
Right.
लॉन्च कर रहे हो ऐड, लेकिन आपका मेन मुद्दा ये है कि मार्केटिंग इज ऑल अबाउट ब्रिंगिंग टू पीपल्स अटेंशन कि मेरा सर्विस एक मेरा बिजनेस आप प्राइस रिड्यूस करके अपना प्रोडक्ट को बेचना चाहते हो.
Correct.
So in that case, usually a product is not able to sell itself. So क्यों? Because you reduced the price of your product, you think your
Right.
brand is too new,
Right.
you think your business is not able to relate yourself as a brand, क्योंकि आपके पास कहानी नहीं है.
कहानी.
अपने ब्रांड को एक साइकोलॉजिकल वे में बताइए, एक ब्रांड बना के बताइए.
Okay.
दूसरा के उसकी प्रोडक्ट की अवेयरनेस उस ब्रांड से रिलेट करिए, और फिर नेक्स्ट चीज़ ये है कि आप उसी प्रोडक्ट को उसमें वैल्यू डालकर उसको एक ऐसा ऑफर दीजिए जिसमें वो क्रेजी हो जाए. क्यों
Right.
आजकल स्टारबक्स के आप कॉफ़ी खरीदते हो, उनकी कहानी है, राइट? आप नाइकी की एक कहानी खरीदते हैं, आप मैकडोनल्ड्स की कहानी खरीदते हैं।
Right, right.
इसी की वजह से इसकी इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस है कि मार्केटिंग जो कोर्स जो है, ये मेरी सर्विस है। मैं डायरेक्टली एक रोड मैप बताता हूँ मेरे कस्टमर्स को कि आप ये देखिए, खरीदिए और ये
Correct.
पहचानिए कि पूरा बजटिंग, ब्रांड कैसे बनाना है, ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी क्या है, इसका प्राइसिंग आप कैसे सही, प्राइसिंग मत कम कीजिए बट अपना वैल्यू बढ़ाइए by giving them the right offers. That's the right way to actually sell a product.
All right. So now coming to the main and the most juiciest topic is that you have launched a workshop and two different courses.
Right.
Right? Now, can you tell us what the workshop is? What's the name of the workshop and what's the name of the two courses and what are you offering in all three of them?
So basically, through my, it's called Marketing Powerhouse Workshop. It's of 149 rupees. So through there, I'll be explaining the beginning part in a form of a sample that what this course is all about.
Right.
And why my services is relevant for your business is because I think that tools, AI tools सीख जाएंगे, बहुत सारी सोशल मीडिया ऐप्स सीख जाएंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों को हायर कर लेंगे।
Right.
लेकिन
Correct.
क्या आपको बेसिकली कोई रोड मैप दे सकता है कि मैं अपना पूरा नेक्स्ट 5 इयर्स का बजट किस तरह देखूं, आपके
Right.
लिए, आपके कस्टमर को किस तरह साइकोलॉजिकली मैं उनको विन कर सकूं,
Right.
अपनी स्टोरी बताना चाहता हूं कि व्हाई एम आई देयर, व्हाई डू आई
Right.
एग्जिस्ट, व्हाई डू आई
Right,
स्टैंड,
right, right.
व्हाई डू आई वांट टू रीच आउट देयर. That's the
Right.
main point of this workshop. And then I
Correct.
have introduced two courses, which is Magnetic Marketing Mastery and Marketing Genius Mastery, which basically helps them to showcase them that, okay, one is for understanding psychological marketing, जिसमें आप सबकॉन्शियसली समझ सकते हो कि आपका बिजनेस आपके कस्टमर तक किस तरह एक स्टोरी की तरह पहुंचेगा, और दूसरा एक एज अ ब्रांड आप बना सकते हो और कहानी किस तरह से बनाकर अपने कस्टमर को रिटेन कर सकते हो अपने बिजनेस में फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम.
Right.
This is Magnetic Marketing Mastery.
All right.
And for the Marketing Genius Mastery is all about that आप अपना पूरा बजट बनाइए, ब्रांड अवेयरनेस कीजिए, प्रोडक्ट अवेयरनेस कीजिए, सक्सेसफुल ऑफरिंग दीजिए, कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी आपको यूज करनी चाहिए,
Okay.
कौन से AI टूल्स यूज करने चाहिए,
Correct.
और
Correct.
उसको राइट वे में आप एक एक्टिविटी बेस्ड फॉर्म में मैंने
Right.
500 रुपीज में सबको मिलेगा. So
Now the next question is who all can attend this workshop or these courses? ये किनके लिए है?
basically it's for startups, it's
Right.
for entrepreneurs, it's for business owners,
Wow.
it's for students, it's for marketers, it's for digital marketers, everybody who is into helping your own business or
Right.
helping your client's business upscale their marketing.
Right.
This will help you to scale your business at a much higher level.
Right.
So I would really recommend you that if you are a part of it, आप देखिए, आप इसको लॉन्च करिए और आप ग्रो करिए अपने बिजनेस को.
Correct. Now, what will those people who are attending your courses or your workshop will get to learn in that?
Basically, in the Magnetic Marketing Mastery, people will get to learn about psychological marketing, storytelling, where they get to know कि अपने business को एक brand की तरह कैसे दिखाना है. So
Right.
people get to trust you. Also, your business will be getting more insights about किस तरह मेरे product को मैं वहाँ तक पहुँचाऊँ और वो उनको trust करे, उनको
Right.
build करे,
Right.
और अपने customer को win करे और उनको sustain करे for a very long time.
Correct.
You cannot keep losing your customers, even whether it's COVID or whether it's demonetization or whether it's anything. You have to sustain it for a very long
Correct.
time.
Correct.
And for the Genius Mastery, you will be getting an activity-based manner where you can create a form of a budget. You can create through that budget किस तरह मैं कितना sales team में डालूँ, कहाँ पे आपने overspend किया, किस तरह से आपने product में डालिए, अपने offering में डालिए, अपने फिजिकल एविडेंस पे डालिए कि आपका कस्टमर आपके बारे में रेव कर रहा है, बात कर रहा है. पूरा एक्टिविटी बेस्ड मैनर में मैंने वो कोर्सेज बनाए हैं जो बिजनेसेस में
Right.
करें.
So, how long are these courses or what's the duration?
The duration is for 2.5 hours
Okay.
each, so
Right.
they can help the
Perfect,
students
perfect.
out for.
And can they get a refund if they want?
Yes, it's a 30-day refund policy,
Okay.
and
Very nice.
you can unsubscribe anytime that you want, and you can
That's
get.
perfect.
But I'm sure that if you are putting your money in,
Yes.
and if you are not happy with the course, I do not want your money. So just do
Right.
it because you want to learn and want to grow your marketing skills.
Right.
Because आज के time पे the most important thing a business needs to learn is whether आप खुद सीखे या अपनी टीम को सिखाए. That's the most important thing.
Correct.
That's what it is.
All right. So,
Thank you.
Mr. Hathiwala, it was a great pleasure talking.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.